how to use ByBit coupon code. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to create your account of course and you're going to navigate to rewards tab. Over here, you will be able to see that there are different coupons that we will be able to receive here upon different tasks of course. So the most basic one is the verification over here. So click on this and verify your account and you should then be able to receive 20 USDT. After you receive that, you will then be able to find it inside of your rewards over here. So it's an applicable thing for any type of usage. So whenever you're trying to do some spot, copy trading, or trading, it will automatically allow you to utilize the coupon that you have received from ByBit. So you don't need to really press anything or find something to select to enable it. It will automatically just apply when you have it on your rewards hub. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.